95% of people ignore these warning signs until it's too late. Your body is sending you messages every single day, but are you listening? Here are 10 early signs of poor diet you should never ignore. Let's dive in. Number 1. Constant fatigue despite getting enough sleep. Your body lacks essential nutrients to function properly. Number 2. Frequent digestive issues like bloating or irregular bowel movements. Processed foods disrupt your gut microbiome. Number 3. Persistent skin problems like acne or dullness. Your skin reflects your internal health. Number 4. Unexpected mood swings and irritability. Blood sugar spikes and crashes affect your emotional stability. Number 5. Brittle hair and weak nails. These are signs of protein and vitamin deficiencies. Number 6. Poor sleep quality even when you get 8 hours. Poor nutrition directly impacts your sleep hormones. Number 7. Getting sick more often than usual. A poor diet weakens your immune defenses. Number 8. Difficulty concentrating and brain fog. Your brain needs proper fuel to function optimally. Number 9. Unexplained weight gain or loss. Hormonal imbalances from poor diet affect metabolism. Number 10. Intense cravings for sugar and processed foods. This creates a vicious cycle of poor nutrition. The good news: these signs are reversible with proper nutrition. Focus on whole foods, stay hydrated, and listen to your body. If you recognize these signs, it's time to take action today. Subscribe for more health tips and start your journey to better nutrition now.